Now, let's open the fourth one. In it, we have a container. We have confetti activator. And we have glow-in-the-dark glue. We take it out. And we put everything in. Okay. So now, let's put glow-in-the-dark glue into our container. And it pop it in. Sorry if this one is not as good as the other ones for like the editing, because my friend had to take a break, so she couldn't edit it. I'm not the best at editing. And then let's open this. Open the activator. Then we take our spoon and we mix. You mixy mix mix. I'll see you when it's done. So this is finishing product. Sorry, my sister's trying to come in. I will tell you if it glows in the dark or not. This is it with a little bit of light. So yes, it does glow in the dark.